Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, no? Kumusta po kayo? Kayo po ay nanonood sa numero ni G. So, pag-usapan po natin sa video ito ang geometric sequence. A sequence that obtained by multiplying a fixed number. A sequence also has a common ratio. So, dun sa arithmetic sequence na napanood nyo kanina sa video bago ito, ang common difference. Pero dito naman sa ating geometric sequence, ito naman po ay common ratio. Ngayon, ganun din siya, katulad lang din siya ng, what do we call this? Katulad lang din siya ng arithmetic sequence. Now, ano ang formula para ma-solve ang n term ng geometric sequence? First, we have the a sub n, which is equals to a times 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Provided that the a sub n, which is the last term, the a sub 1, which is the first term, the letter r, which is the common ratio, and the letter n, which is the number of terms. Okay? Now, let's begin for some examples. So, what's the fifth term in this geometric sequence? Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang ating sequence is 5, 10, 20. So, ang hinahanap natin is yung pang-limang term. So, let's begin with our analyzation. So, let's begin with A. Let's begin with n. Let's say after the n is a sub 1. Then we have r. Okay. Now, so para makuha natin yung value ng n, ano po ba yung term na hinahanap? Which is yung pang-lima. So this is 5 and also this is 5. So this is unknown now. So the a sub 1, which is the first term would be 5 also. Now, what are their common ratio? So, para malaman natin ang kanilang common ratio, so kanina dun sa arithmetic sequence ay ang ginawa po natin ay pinag-minus. Dito ipag-divide natin, which is 20 divided by 10, that is 2. And 10 divided by 5, that is 2. So, therefore, the common ratio is 2. Okay, so let us solve using the formula of geometric sequence. A sub n, which is equals to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Okay. Now, so after that, we have changed a sub n to a sub 5, which is equals to a sub 1, that is the value of a sub 1 is 5, multiply the value of r, the common ratio, which is 2. Then the value of n, which is 5, then minus 1. And then a raised to the fifth, a sub 5, which is 5 times, so 2. Then, i-minus muna natin si 5 minus 1, that is 2 raised to the 4th power. So, a raised to the a sub 5, which is 5, times 2 raised to the 4th power, that is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Now, so a raised to the a sub 5, or a sub 5, which is equals to 5 times 16, that is 80. So, ibig sabihin, ang term or ang pang-limang term sa sequence na 5, 10, 20 is 80. Okay? I hope na sana nagigets po na inyo ang ating lesson. Okay? Let's begin to another example. So, what is the seventh term in this geometric sequence? We have a sub 1, which is 5, and r is 7. So, mas madaling mag-solve ng ganito kasi given na po lahat. Okay? So, a sub n, a sub n. This is a muna para ma-analyze po muna natin. Okay? Ayan. So, okay, ayan. So, this is first term and r. Now, ano yung hinahanap na term pang ilan? Pang 7. So, since this is seventh term, the value of n is 7, and then this is a sub 7. So, now the unknown for a sub 7. The a sub 1, which is the first term, that is 5, and the common ratio is 7. So, let's begin now to solve the value of a sub n, or a sub 7. So, a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So, a sub n, which is ang hinahanap naman, is yung pang-pitong term. And then, a sub 1, which is the first term, which is 5, times the value of r, which is 7. Then, the value of n also is 7 minus 1. So, a raised to a sub 7, which is equals to 5 times 7, no? 7 minus 1, which is 6. And then a sub 7, which is equals to 5 times 7 raised to the 6th power is 7 raised to the 6th power, which is 117,649. Now, after that, getting the a raised to the 7th power, we multiply it by 5. So, that is 588,000. 245. So, this is our answer for example number 2. Okay? So, this is for our last example. So, last example, once the 8th term in this geometric sequence, we have 2, 8, 32, and 128. So, let us analyze again using the A sub 1 and common ratio. Okay. Now, so pang ilang term po ba yung hinahanap, which is 8. So, the 8th term would be unknown here. This is 8. So, this is still unknown. So, A sub 1, which is 2. And the common ratio, which is 8 divided by 2, that is 4. No? So, 32 divided by 8, that is 4. 128 divided by 32 is also 4. Now, so let's begin to solve this process. Okay, so write the formula for geometric sequence. A sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So, getting the value of a raised to 8 or a sub 8, which is a sub 1, the value of a sub 1 is 2 times the value of r, which is 4, minus the value of n is 8, no, minus 1. Change lang po yan. A sub 8 is equals to 2 times 4 raised to 7th power because 8 minus 1 is 7. A sub 8, which is equals to 2 times 4 raised to 7th power, which is 16,384. Now, so therefore, our 8th term in this geometric sequence, which is multiply it by 2, that is 32,768. So, this is our answer. Okay? I hope na sana po, nag-gets nyo po yung discussion natin when it comes to geometric sequence. God bless you all.